The standing, dual, D-handle supinated cable biceps curl is an exercise that primarily targets the long head of the biceps. By maintaining a supinated, palms facing up grip, it emphasizes the outer part of the biceps, thus helping to develop the peak of the muscle for a fuller appearance. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a pair of D-handles to the low pulley of a cable machine. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then grab each D-handle with an underhand supinated grip with your palms facing forward. Position your arms down by your sides with a slight bend in your elbows, keeping your wrists straight. Maintain a slight bend in your knees and engage your core to stabilize your body. Keep your chest up and shoulders back throughout the exercise to maintain proper posture, while keeping your elbows close to your sides. Exhale and curl the handles up by contracting your biceps. Continue to curl until your hands reach shoulder levels, fully squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement. Inhale, then slowly lower the handles back to the starting position while maintaining the palms facing forward supinated grip. Ensure you fully extend your arms at the bottom without locking your elbows. Use a weight that allows you to maintain proper form without swinging or using momentum from your shoulders to curl the weight. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.